Top Race TR-C185 remote control indoor airplane. It says indoor, but we're using it outdoors and it works fine. It's rechargeable, but it needs 6 AA batteries, which is not included. Right here is where it recharges the plane. This plugs into the bottom right here on the airplane. And you need to turn the airplane on right here, as well as the remote control here, in order for it to work. And the instructions tell you how to sync the airplane. It does need to be synced with the frequency. And here's a demonstration.